Hello everyone, welcome back to Kimates. Today we discuss about the topic air pollution. Air pollution is the contamination of air by undesirable substances having detrimental effect to the environment. An air pollutant is a substance or agent that create air pollution. For example, automobile exhaust. There are various types of air pollutants. Air pollutant may be gaseous air pollutants or particulate air pollutants. Gaseous air pollutants. This may be carbon oxides, sulfur oxides, nitrogen oxides, etc. The particulate air pollutants includes various metallic and non-metallic air pollutants, dust, smoke, etc. Some of the gaseous air pollutants may form particulate air pollutants. For example, smog. That is, smog is formed by the reaction between smoke and fog. Do you know what are the sources of air pollution? An important source of air pollution is automobile exhaust. Automobile exhaust are responsible for more than 55% of air pollution in the world. Automobiles release huge amount of toxic or harmful pollutants into the environment. Their major constituents are carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, sulfur oxides, and unburned hydrocarbons. Another important source of air pollution is industrial effluents. The effluents from various industries are responsible for about 10 to 20% global air pollution. They contain pollutants like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur oxides, nitrogen oxides, etc. Another important source of air pollution is electric power plants. They burn coal or fossil fuels and lets out large amount of sulfur oxides, nitrogen oxides into the atmosphere. And also enormous amount of fly ash into the atmosphere. Other source of air pollution includes incineration of domestic waste, use of refrigerants, use of electric power generators, tobacco smoking, effluent emission from houses, agricultural activities, making use of pesticide sprays, wear and tear of asbestos products, demolition of buildings, wars and terrorist activities in different parts of the world, nuclear explosions, etc. These are the other sources of air pollution. Here we can see that air pollution agents are mainly carbon oxides, sulfur oxides, and nitrogen oxides. So we can discuss in detail. Firstly, air pollution by carbon oxides. Carbon has two types of oxides, carbon monoxides and carbon dioxides. Carbon monoxide is the most abundant and widely distributed air pollutant. It is formed by the incomplete combustion of carbon or carbon compounds. Automobile exhaust contribute about 80% of carbon monoxide pollution. It is also produced by the burning of domestic fuel, domestic waste and industrial waste. It is also formed by the high temperature reduction and decomposition of carbon dioxide. That is, the main source of carbon monoxide are incomplete combustion of carbon, reduction of carbon dioxide and decomposition of carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide is a very dangerous chemical. It binds with hemoglobin in the blood and to form carboxyhemoglobin. The binding capacity of carbon monoxide is 210 times greater than that of oxygen. So, in the presence of carbon monoxide, hemoglobin binds with carbon monoxide. It also replaces oxygen from oxyhemoglobin. That is, carbon monoxide binds with hemoglobin and to form carboxyhemoglobin. Also, carbon monoxide binds with oxyhemoglobin and replaces oxygen and to form carboxyhemoglobin. That is, carbon monoxide blocks the normal oxygen binding capacity of hemoglobin and thereby causes asphyxiation. Inhalation of carbon dioxide at a higher ppm cause several symptoms ranging from mental aberrations, throbbing headache, dizziness, nausea, vomiting, visual difficulty, breathing difficulty and unconsciousness. In a city during the peak hours of traffic or during frequent traffic jams, you can feel that dizziness due to the excessive inhalation of carbon monoxide. Also, the traffic police or shopkeepers feel the same. Inhalation of carbon monoxide above 750 ppm definitely produce death by asphyxiation. To the weak, anemic and invalid people and to those suffering from respiratory diseases, carbon monoxide is lethal to much lower levels. Cigarette smokers and passive smokers inhale large quantities of carbon monoxide. The toxic effects of cigarette smoking is partly due to carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is detrimental to plants also. It causes leaf drops, leaf curls, decrease in chlorophyll content, suppresses their growth. These are all about the carbon monoxide pollution and its adverse effects. The another carbon oxide is carbon dioxide. The source of carbon dioxide is mainly the combustion of fossil fuels. There are other sources of carbon dioxide, for example, decomposition of limestone during the production of cement. Such enormous release of carbon dioxide and deforestation upset the carbon dioxide balance in the atmosphere and thereby make it an air pollutant. The increased amount of carbon dioxide is responsible for the enhanced greenhouse effect and consequent global warming.